Welcome back, Goldies. Today we're back with another banger aubergine sauce. Here's the list of the ingredients. The measurements will be in the description box below. Cut up the aubergine into smaller chunks. Add in salt and a little bit of water. Cover up and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Mash it up a bit and set aside. In another pot, heat up the palmoil and olive oil.
Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.
Pour in the onions and fry for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring so it doesn't burn. Now pour in the Peppermix and fry for another 10 to 15 minutes or until the oil floats. Add in the stock cubes and all-purpose seasoning. Time to reintroduce the aubergine. Add in the deboned mackerel and crayfish powder. Incorporate all together. Simmer for a few more minutes and our aubergine sauce is ready.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my Munch channel. Bye. Thank you.